Hey y'all, this is Rashad here with Blammy TV, and I'm going to show you guys how to install a SIG SAUER ROMEO1 Pro on a SIG SAUER P320X compact. Let's get right into it. So you're also going to make sure this gun is clear. I'm going to pull the slide off. Set this to the side. Now all you got to do is get your pin, put whatever you have, punch, push this in here, slide this base plate down a little bit just so you can pull the extractor spring out, and then the extractor will come out. Set that to the side. Now what that is, give you space to get to this bolt in here. It is going to be a 3/32 Allen. Okay, that's going to pull off your base plate and your rear sight. Set that to the side. Now it fell out. It's no big deal. This just lets you know that your magazine is loaded. Well, not your magazine is loaded. It lets you know that you have one in the chamber, because the round comes up, pushes this up, and it just sits up like that. So make sure that spring seats in that little circular notch there. So it doesn't slip out. Perfect. You can see it just like that. Then you're gonna slide your cover over it. Let that hang out like that over top. You're gonna slide your optic in over that. All right. I'm gonna hold it with my thumb a little bit. Don't let it go anywhere. And then I pre-treated these bolts with a little extra Loc-Tite. And those are a Torx T15. Let's get it started. That one in there. Get that one started. Okay, then you're gonna torque these to 31 inch-pounds, which is about 2.5 foot-pounds. All right, snug. It's snug. All right, you'll see it's not loose, it doesn't move. You check the base, there's no gaps. All right, now since that's mounted up, what we're gonna do is put your extractor back in. Extractor back in here. And then you slide your extractor spring back in this way. Ensure that this piece here is facing you. You're gonna get your punch, whatever you use to push it in. Push that in there like that. Slide your base plate up. Get your slide back on your rail. And you are good to go. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. This is the 3 MOA, not the 6, so it's a smaller dot. All right, guys, thanks for watching.